In this video, we'll show you how to use card controls in Clearwater Digital Branch. After logging into your Clearwater Digital Branch, from the main menu dropdown, select Manage Cards. First, let's block a lost debit card to prevent anyone from using it. Just toggle the Block Card to On. If you haven't registered for card controls, you will see a window asking you how you want to receive alerts about the card. Options are via email or push notifications. For this example, we'll use email notifications and choose an email address. Click Block this card and you'll see the toggle has changed and the debit card has been successfully blocked, as well as confirmation message at the top of the screen. To show you other card controls and alert features, let's toggle that card back to unblocked. Select the card you'd like to manage by clicking on the card's image. From here, you have alerts and controls, replacement options, and update PIN. Click the gear to the right of alerts and controls. Now you'll see another option to block this card, as well as how to manage alerts by clicking on the pencil to the right. This is where you can select specific categories of transactions to personalize your alerts. You'll see you can select locations, transaction limits, transaction types, or merchant types. These card controls can be helpful to monitor where and when your card is being used. Let's look at Manage Card Controls. Click the pencil to the right. This is where you can select specific categories of transactions to block. You'll see that you can select locations, transaction limits, transaction types, or merchant types. Now let's look at how to replace a card. To the right of replacement options, click the gear. Select the reason you are replacing your card. Fill in the date last used and date lost to the best of your memory. Click Continue to complete. You'll see a notification that a replacement card will be mailed to your account address. If you need a card sooner, please visit your nearest branch to have a card instant issued. Lastly, let's explore Update PIN by clicking the gear to the right. This area is pretty straightforward. Enter your new PIN, confirm your PIN, enter your card's expiration date, click Update PIN. To return to your cards, simply click the back button to view all cards on your account. That's an overview of our card management feature.